Introducing Momo, your home genius. With artificial intelligence, Momo is integrated into a lamp designed to complement your living space. Momo keeps your loved ones safer, recognizing familiar faces, and protects your home. Momo is discreet, simple, and intuitive. Momo's artificial intelligence manages your home by learning from your habits. It's you that makes your lifestyle choices. And in the morning, who isn't in a rush? Accidentally leave something on? Momo's on duty and notifying you. Momo can manage your smart technology and connected appliances for you. Sit back and relax. Momo looks after your privacy too. Simply disconnect Momo's video and audio whenever you want. With Momo, you can enjoy a simpler and more rewarding home life.
Imagine if you could see electricity as it flowed through your home. Like a superhero with X-ray vision. You'd see the energy used to cool your rooms, cook your food, and light your home. And when it was being wasted, rather than used wisely, you'd know right away. We decided you shouldn't need superpowers to see where your energy goes. So we created Glow. Glow is like a fitness tracker for your home. It gives you and everyone in your home a sixth sense for how you use energy, so you can make smart decisions that benefit your bank account and help the environment. Glow analyzes your home's energy usage to understand how and when you use energy. If you're using more than normal, Glow turns amber, then red. When you're saving money, it glows green. And when you have extended high usage, like if someone accidentally left the coffee pot on or the fridge door open, Glow sends you a helpful notification. Glow also helps you avoid nasty surprises on your utility bill by forecasting your electricity cost. Just tell Glow how much you want to pay for electricity each month, and the app will help you stay on track. Getting started with Glow is as simple as plugging it in and placing our patent-pending inductive sensor on your meter. Using magneto-resistive sensing and advanced algorithms, Glow can measure and understand your home's energy usage without the need for professional installation or dangerous modifications to your home's wiring.
We are Jive Story, a company dedicated to making life more beautiful, convenient, and practical based on the motif of nature. Today we are excited to introduce Anabite, a one-touch multi-purpose storage holder shaped into animal figures. Inspired by the bite of a predator, Anabite can secure and store a wide range of personal belongings, including your toothbrushes, keys, pens, razors, and glasses. With one-touch design, take or store with one simple motion. Anabite is made with urethane gel, so it can be attached to any type of surface, including tile, glass, wood, or metal without damaging the wall. While having strong adhesive strength, Anabite can be detached simply and is also recyclable. We created Anabite in hope that it will be more than just a product for you. If you use it in your bathroom, it will take care of your personal hygiene. If you use it in the kitchen, it will keep you healthy. If you use it by the front door, it will protect your home. If you use it at work, it will help you excel. We also hope it will keep you safe from worry and anxiety when you are asleep. Keep your stuff. Anabite.
This is Current. Current is a multi-device charging station with updatable built-in cables, dual USB inputs, an AC power socket, even an optional wireless charging pad. And it's also an amazingly smart alarm clock. Since no two people have exactly the same needs and multiple devices, Current gives you lots of ways to charge. Lightning connector? No problem. Micro USB? Piece of cake. Enough juice for a USB-C? Definitely. Need AC power? Covered. Current just has more of everything you need to charge and power, all in one compact, versatile, space-saving device. You get 2 built-in and upgradable charging cables and 2 USB ports with auto-sensing to help optimize battery life. And don't forget the optional wireless charging pad. So even with everything connected, there's still room for one more. And since the alarm clock has 25-year battery backup, it will always remember the right time, even if the power goes out. So charge away. We've got your back with Current by Cube.
We introduce Blind Engine. With 70% lower cost than other automatic curtains, when you attach it to the cord of blind or shade, the common blinds turn into smart motorized blinds. You can open and close them through mobile devices. It's possible to set a certain time because timer scheduling function is available. It is also possible to control multiple curtains at the same time. It can recognize your location, so you can open and close them automatically. And what's more, it's easily connected to voice recognition devices.
Alexa, front, lower the shade.
So you can control blinds and shades with your own voice. It can be installed on most types of roller blinds and shades. And it stops automatically when a hazard is detected. Anyone can easily install and use Blind Engine. Blind Engine. The interior and your style will be improved at the same time.